all the places that are empty now: arenas, schools, public places, streets.
Police were called after some customers started fighting over toilet paper and water.
In this pandemic, one good thing happened, that is, nature has found a way to let Earth regain its lost wealth during this period. The world has finally arrived at a stage where we, as humans, have to realize the need for conservation of environmental elements. It is time for us to step up and explore innovative techniques to store rainwater and consume electricity through solar energy effectively. Households and the residents of smart buildings get multiple benefits from using the client's IoT power monitoring and management system. It will help to keep track of energy usage and for future use. We use the IoT device to monitor the weather condition for the next day and predictive analysis of weather, which would help us with both rain and sun, resulting in understanding the availability of water and solar energy. Also, which will help us to forecast the availability of the resource in the near future and thereby effective usage of the available, stored, resource. The IoT device will also monitor and manage the available, stored, resources, and will also consider the availability of other sources of these resources like groundwater, rainwater, and water from government-provided pipes. For electricity, the device will optimize the effective usage between solar power and government-provided power supply. IoT and rainwater management system. For rainwater harvesting, the underground system involves a lot of power maintenance and underground excavation, so easiest is above ground, gravity-fed system. If no risk of freezing, this can be stored in smart tanks and be used for garden irrigation and flushing toilets. Smart tanks would involve sensors and IoT for water level measuring and quality analyzing. For example, if the water level is beyond a certain point and the quality is good enough, can be scheduled to irrigate the garden, else use only for flushing toilets. IoT and solar power management. Smart inverters, energy monitors and new generation battery storage can be used for automation of power management in the case of solar panels. For example, running the washing machine only when the weather is favorable for peak solar electricity generation, or if the battery system has enough charge to support the cycle without needed regular electricity from the grid. Dishwashers, electric car charging are other possible options to run in this scenario. Weather data from the cloud can be used to augment this solution. So, the pursuit of global environmental sustainability is what we need to achieve.